Scott, in my opinion, I deal more directly with Scott.
Right.
In a lot of cases, I love Jerry, and Jerry's great, but I get a hold of Scott faster. I think the key thing here is, and one of the things I was very impressed about was that their investment in the other nonprofits. It wasn't just LANTE.
Okay.
And that was remarkable, you know, and also the fact that they were engaged with the community residents, and they did not discriminate about where you live or, you know, who you're connected with. It wasn't about that. And I'll tell you, from my point of view, talking about the whole fighting that I was concerned, we did have, you know, 2 tenants come over to discuss apparently a housing situation. And I never forget sitting at my desk saying, why am I even here? Because the tenant was complaining. And I said, well, let's call the landlord right now. And sure enough, it was Scott. And here's the landlord goes, hey, Scotty, how you doing? I'm like, wait a minute, if you can call your landlord Scotty, I don't need to be part of this conversation, you know. So it turns out that, you know, he just had a young wife and he needed to show up, and this was an opportunity. And here you go. But the